everyone, welcome back to another Freestyle Wednesday. And on today's Freestyle Wednesday, I'll be sharing with you a bag that I got from a company called antmall.ru. Yeah, antmall.ru. I went on their site and they have lots of bags and other items that they have for sale, and their prices are reasonable. So I'm going to show you the item that I got from them. So it came in this box here, came in another box, the shipping box, but I cut that out, ugly brown box. So this is the bag. So this is the box that's left. So I'm just gonna open the bag and then show you what's inside. So this is what's in here, and also in the box is the paper with my little receipts and all that goody stuff. So we have it here in a plastic bag. Take that off, and it comes in this nice dust bag here. It says Chanel. And here we go. And let's take out the bag. OMG. And here's the bag here. It's the Chanel Classic Flap. This is nice. So this is the front. It's all tapered up. This is the back. I'm gonna just open it. And again, it's all padded up again. Take this off. So it has another flip inside. And another one here. So there's more cards and stuff. So I'm gonna take everything off and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So here's the bag. I took off all the packaging off of it. And as you remember, it's the Chanel Classic Flip bag. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is the front. It has the Chanel logo here in the front. This is the side. Let's move the strap out the way. This is the back, and it does have a back pocket. That's the back pocket there. And it feels so nice. And that's the other side. And of course, this is the strap. You could wear the strap double, or you can pull it up and wear it as one long strap. Isn't that nice? So let's look at the inside of the bag now. You open the lock, and when you open it, there's another flip over here, a flap, whatever, right here. And on the top part here, you have some more hardware here, and there's a zipper here. Now this zipper is a small pocket, and it goes this way, not down, it goes up. It goes up, so you can put little flat things, maybe your receipt, maybe a card if you want, but I don't think it's very practical, but it's there. And then there is some storage here, right here. And then we have this section, which does have a little knob here to lock it, and that's how it looks right here. You have some of the burgundy. I call it burgundy. It's like a deep wine color inside with the Chanel logo. And at the front here, we have a pocket. And then we have the main pocket inside, which is huge. It's very roomy. Hope you guys can see that. Lots of room in there. And then there's another two little pockets here, and I guess this is like a little lipstick holder right here, or lip gloss. And like I said, the two little pockets at the side. So it has lots of storage, and inside here you have another little hardware with the Chanel Paris sign on it. Yeah. So you have, well, you have the other sections here. 1, 2, and at the back here 3, and here you have the two little pockets inside with the lip gloss holder, and then this pocket here, and of course the pocket on the back. So you have lots of compartments in this classic flip bag. But I love how it looks, and it feels so nice. I like it. And I like the straps with the gold hardware. I hope that focuses. Yeah, with the gold hardware on the strap, which is very nice. Now I had to take this bag out because I'm going out tonight. Yes, I'm going out and I'm using this bag. So I said, let me show you guys my review of this bag before I step out with it tonight. Yeah. I love it. So very nice. So I'm going to show you how it looks when I have it on. Alright everyone, that's my review with the Chanel classic flap bag, and I got it from antmall.ru. I'll leave their link down below, and I do have a coupon code down there for you guys to get some coins off when you make a purchase on their site. So everything will be listed down below in my description box. Like I always tell you, on some devices it says show more, on some it says more, on some it's just an arrow going down. You click on that and it opens my description box, and you can see everything I have to share with you down there. Yeah, so your girl's gonna get ready to go now and enjoy her evening. Thank you guys for seeing my review for this Freestyle Wednesday, and remember, I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so remember to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.